shopping at the Home Depot.
What is this? What is this?
Who ate that one? Did you eat that one? Is that you? Did you eat my lipstick?
Milo, what is this? What'd you do? Look at me.
God's giving you a moment of laughter. Oh my God. Did you eat that bread? Man.
Oh, have you done? Shabu.
Yeah, let's get a peek in.
Major, Gracie.
So here we are, where all of your friends are eating nice chicken.
Who did that?
It's pistachio ice cream.